Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about one of those items in your yard that gets neglected, your land roller. So behind me here is a Brandt land roller. This is a brand new one, but what we want to get at is that it's probably that time of the year with the weather warming up that the roller has melted out of the snowbank enough that you can lift it up and maybe pull it out into a dry spot in the yard, fold it out and lift the tires up, take each one of those wheels and grab onto it and check the wheel bearings. You know, make sure your wheel bearings aren't dry and that they're nice and snug. If they've got a grease nipple, give them some grease. If possible, when you're greasing it, try to turn them. It's always better if you can feed that grease in while you're turning. It doesn't sit in one spot and try to blow the seal out. So do that. And then as well, if you go to your main roller bearings, if you can have it lifted up and you can turn them slowly, if you have greasable bearings, slowly grease them while you're turning it, and then it distributes the grease across the whole bearing rather than just concentrating it in one spot. Don't over grease them because you have a tendency to blow those seals out and then you do more damage, but good time to do that. You can usually get a feel for if there's a bearing starting to go. You can sometimes hear it grinding inside, things like that. But nice time to check that over. Then you still have time to get some new bearings if you need and some new wheel seals, whatever it happens to be, and get that put together so that when it's time to go rolling, you can hook on and basically just give her. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.